This question requires a construction-based attack. It starts off with this clause, Mauritius was something, followed by this prepositional phrase, excepting for the domains of. But the main problem here is that this idiomatic construction is totally wrong. The right idiomatic construction is except for, which is used to point out an exception amongst all things. So for example, we can say, except for John, everyone else knew of the surprise party. So everybody knew except John. So this would be the right idiomatic usage. So A goes off, and the same idiomatic problem is there in D as well. So D goes off. Now B has the idiomatic construction except in, which is an apt idiom. But if you use except in the domains, this whole construction would become a prepositional phrase put in between the commas. So what we have here will be a clause followed by a prepositional phrase followed by another clause. And it is also worth noting that this clause, Mauritius was something, is an independent clause. And the language was something is also an independent clause. Remember that independent clauses are clauses that can make sentences on their own. So what we have here are actually two independent clauses that are connected by a comma. There is no conjunction to connect these two independent clauses. So this construction would be a comma splice. So B creates a comma splice. So B goes off. The same problem is present in E. Even if we say with the exception of the domains, it is still creating a prepositional phrase construction. So we once again have an independent clause, a prepositional phrase, comma, independent clause. So this is once again a comma splice construction. E goes off. So we're left with the right answer choice, C. In C, we can notice that we have this conjunction but, which introduces the contrast. So Mauritius was something, but except in the domains, the English language was. So the introduction of this conjunction but makes the construction appropriate because now two independent clauses are being connected by a coordinating conjunction. So the construction is perfectly fine.